Hello everyone, Coach Carol here with you, and in today's tutorial I'm just going to take you a brief walk in the AI storytelling journey. It's a creative journey, and I'll also demonstrate for you the clever paths you can take using tools like Omni and Claude for your AI assisted storytelling. It really is revolutionizing the way stories are crafted. Certainly for me and others who are dabbling in the use of AI tools for their writing improvement. By leveraging artificial intelligence, writers can enhance their creativity and efficiency, leading to more engaging narratives for diverse audiences. Using AI for storytelling in genealogy is a focus for me, but I'm also enjoying the use of AI for storytelling in fictional genres. You can unlock your creative potential with AI storytelling. I have spent maybe 18 months now working solidly in how best to use AI tools to help me experience the future of storytelling. I can now enhance my narratives, streamline my process, and captivate audiences like never before. I can create stories for genealogy, for fiction. I can do them as ebooks and or as podcasts. Let technology elevate your storytelling journey today. Don't be afraid. Don't worry about others saying that you're cheating. It's not cheating. You are leveraging and enhancing your writing ability. The ideas come from you. The facts for your ancestry come from you. If you let AI elevate your storytelling experience, you will come to captivating heights effortlessly. It takes not much time to generate a set of suggested titles for a new book, chapter titles, a prologue, a preface, chapter outlines, character development, and more. Why not use AI to elevate your storytelling experience? There are no laws against that. So if you're exploring AI storytelling techniques, here are 3 ideas that you can use it for to help you unlock the power of AI to craft compelling stories that captivate your audiences. Idea number 1, AI does help create engaging narratives effortlessly. You can provide it with a set of dot points or some facts, and it will turn it into a narrative effortlessly. Idea number 2, to leverage AI for personalized storytelling experiences. If you are writing about ancestors and you want to generate different types of stories for them, such as profiles or stories about place or occasions, any of those types of stories, AI will help personalize them for you. Idea number 3, AI simplifies complex storytelling structures seamlessly. You can get your AI tool to advise you on what components you need for a compelling story. It will break it down into the various structures that you need and help you generate the content for each one. You really can leverage AI for personalized storytelling experiences. On the right of this screen is an image that I had ChatGPT for Omni generate to give me an image that I could have in my mind when I'm talking to ChatGPT. It helps me personalize my experience in those conversations. As I said before, it simplifies complex storytelling structures seamlessly. So you could use ChatGPT, you could use it in conjunction with something like Claude and really come up with a compelling structure for a story in any genre. It will help you create interactive and immersive stories. You might remember those old styles of stories that were create your own adventure style. AI could help you generate one of those. It will unlock the power for you to craft compelling, interactive, and immersive stories that captivate your audiences, young and old. So your AI storytelling experiences will help engage your audience now. So as your first steps, choose an AI storytelling tool. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Claude, it could be Gemini, it could be a whole host of other tools. Choose one and gain experience with it. Become proficient in prompting it and getting the responses you want. The second thing to do is to input your story elements. You are the leader in this creative process. The AI tool is acting as your co-intelligence to help put those story elements together in a strategic and easily read or easily viewed manner. Your whole experience with using AI tools as your storytelling sidekicks will really breathe life into your family lore and will enhance your story. It's more or less like using storytelling magic. Thank you for joining me on this very quick journey into AI-assisted storytelling. I want to invite you now to come and join me in the new course called AI-Assisted Storytelling. If you've got questions about the course, about the process, about the tools, then do get in touch with me. You can reach me at coachcarolonline.com. If you are keen to get started in a course, then you can log in straight away at coachcarolonline.thinkific.com. Thank you again, and let me know if you've got questions.